Okay, today we're gonna go over the combo speed oven, and we're gonna give you some key benefits on why it's an amazing thing and actually answer the question, what is a convected speed oven, okay? First and foremost, this is a microwave with all the microwave settings. You have your popcorn, your beverage, your reheat, your soft and melt, and even the defrost in here. So very powerful microwave with a great size capacity. That's not what makes this amazing. The fact that it is a convection oven and we use both properties together. So when we open the hood, I like to call it here, you're gonna see a huge cavity, you're gonna see a great convection fan, you're gonna see grounded racks that won't spark, and that same turntable that you see. So it's a 50-50 of a microwave and a convection oven. That's really where we get into a few key settings. We get into the convection cooking, we get into the micro bake and the micro roast. This transforms this microwave into cooking proteins, cooking full dinners, small turkeys, great bacon, things like that. This is gonna help out the customer that needs a double oven in their home but doesn't have the space for it and can't give up a microwave. So you have all of your microwave properties, but now you have a great secondary oven to cook your roast, cook your sides, to really come full circle in the holidays. Being that this model has a gourmet setting, has pre-programmed recipes in it for you, from appetizers to entrees to desserts. So really it helps you plug and play everything you need. The best part about this is the capacity size from a regular wall oven or regular range oven. This is going to heat up a third of the time faster too. So if you're cooking for 2, 4, 6 people, you're going to say, oh, maybe I don't have to heat up my big oven. Maybe I can just use my speed oven, because the fact that when we hit the combination modes, we're using the microwave properties to cut down on the preheat, and we're using the oven properties to finish our food and make it look restaurant quality. So those two items coming together, creating an amazing meal, help out tremendously. So hope this helps you figure out if this micro speed oven is best for your kitchen. Enjoy.